Section 1. Water everywhere. Understanding ISO 46001 and Clause 6.3. Water is essential for life. We need it to drink, grow food, and power industries. With a growing population, water resources are under pressure. ISO 46001. 2019 provides a framework for water management. It helps organizations use water efficiently and sustainably. Clause 6.3 focuses on setting smart targets and action plans. It emphasizes documenting targets, plans, and results. This section highlights water conservation and ISO 46001, 2019. Section 2. Clause 6.3-A. Deep dive into water efficiency targets. Clause 6.3 mandates that organizations establish water efficiency targets. These targets should be based on a thorough understanding of the organization's water usage. This includes where they get their water, how much they use, and where it goes. The targets need to be specific and measurable. For example, a company might aim to reduce its water consumption by 10% within 3 years. This target is clear, quantifiable, and time-bound. Clause 6.3 also requires organizations to consider significant water uses. This means identifying the processes or activities that use the most water and focusing on improving their efficiency. By addressing these key areas, organizations can achieve the most significant water savings. This section has outlined the core requirements of Clause 6.3, emphasizing the need for specific measurable targets and a focus on significant water uses. Section 3. Making waves. Developing action plans for water efficiency. Once an organization has set its water efficiency targets, it needs to develop action plans to achieve them. These action plans should outline the specific steps that will be taken, who is responsible, and when they will be completed. The plan should also consider the resources needed, such as funding, technology, or training. Developing effective action plans requires a collaborative approach. Input from different departments or teams within the organization is essential. This ensures that the plans are realistic, feasible, and aligned with the organization's overall objectives. For example, an action plan to reduce water use in a manufacturing plant might include upgrading to more water-efficient equipment, implementing a leak detection and repair program, or training employees on water conservation best practices. This section has emphasized the importance of detailed action plans that include specific steps, timelines, and responsible parties. Section 4. Real-world water wisdom examples of Clause 6.3 in action. Let's look at how different industries can apply Clause 6.3 in practice. For agriculture, a farm could reduce water use for irrigation by 15% over 5 years. This might involve drip irrigation, drought-resistant crops, and monitoring soil moisture. In hospitality, a hotel could cut water use per guest by 10% annually. They might install low-flow fixtures and promote linen reuse programs. For manufacturing, a beverage company could reduce water per liter by 5% in 3 years. This could involve optimizing production processes and reusing treated wastewater. These examples show how Clause 6.3 can be tailored to different sectors. Section 5. Measuring the tide. Verifying and improving your water efficiency efforts. Clause 6.3 emphasizes the importance of monitoring and measuring progress towards water efficiency targets. Organizations need to establish systems for tracking water use, collecting data, and analyzing results. This data allows them to assess the effectiveness of their action plans and identify areas for improvement. Regular reviews of the water management system, including the targets and action plans, are crucial. These reviews should evaluate whether the targets are still relevant and achievable. They should also identify any new opportunities for water efficiency improvements that may have emerged. This section has highlighted the need for ongoing monitoring, data analysis, and regular reviews to ensure continuous improvement in water management practices. Section 6. Keep on flowing. The importance of continuous improvement in water management. By implementing the requirements of Clause 6.3, organizations can make significant strides in their water management practices. Setting smart targets, developing detailed action plans, and regularly monitoring progress all contribute to more sustainable water use. Remember, every drop counts. By working together, we can ensure a water-secure future for all. Let's all do our part to conserve water and protect this precious resource for generations to come.